Question number 5. What kind of carpet cleaning do you offer? The majority of cleaners offer only one type of cleaning method. All carpets are not the same and need to be cleaned differently. It's not which type of cleaning is the best, or steam cleaning versus dry cleaning. Different textiles have to be cleaned differently. Contrary to popular belief, not all carpets should be cleaned with the same cleaning method. It's just like cleaning your clothing. Some clothing must be dry cleaned and other clothing washed in water. Some require hot water, some cold, and others need a little bleach put into the cleaning process. Different methods of cleaning on different types of clothing produce expected results. It's the same way with carpets. They also need to be cleaned in different ways. Some carpets are made out of wool, some nylon, some polyester, cotton, silk, olefin, or polypropylene, just to name a few. The finest firms know precisely which cleaning method works well with each particular type of carpet and will apply the proper cleaning method for that specific type of carpet. Lastly, it's not that one method is good and the other bad. Each method combined with the wrong application will produce inferior results. So select a carpet cleaner that has more than one tool in his toolbox.